You say every day is tax day when you learn how to get your money back. Explain what you mean.
Well, this is what I mean. If you went to the grocery store and bought all of your groceries and came home and ate $250 worth of groceries, fed your family, and then in 2 weeks, the grocery store manager said, hey, come back and get your money. And all you have to do is show me a diary of the day that you ate, so on and so forth. Guess what? You would follow those rules. We would all stop, drop, and roll right now. You would go back and get your money. Well, guess what? That's what the IRS says. The IRS says is if you go out to eat for business, you get your money back. If you go out to eat for personal reasons, you don't. If you drive your car for business, you get your money back. But if you drive your car for personal reasons, you don't. The IRS says that over 400 times. So it's the things that we are doing every day already using our cell phone, sitting at our desk in our home office. There's all kinds of things that you're doing every single day that can affect your taxes and help you get more of your hard-earned money back during tax season.
Wow. What are some common tax deductions that people may not know about?
The most common tax deductions are the things that we use every single day. Mm-hmm. And I believe most people cannot even move 5 feet without their mobile phone. Mm-hmm. So that mobile phone, that mobile phone that you spent $22,000 on the phone. You in the lease, right, with the phone, and then you have the phone bill. If you use your mobile phone for business, that's a tax write-off. If you have a home office, which means you have a designated space in your home or your apartment that you use exclusively for your home-based business. This does not include the space that you use to work from home if you work for someone else. That's not a tax write-off. But if you have your own business, maybe you're a motivational speaker, maybe you're an author, maybe you babysit, maybe you drive for Uber, maybe you sell Mary Kay, whatever it is that you do. Well, now you get to write off a portion of your rent. Can anybody say rent? You get to write off a portion of your mortgage. Can anybody say mortgage? You get to write off your light bill, your gas bill. Child, I'm about to start preaching up in here, and we're going to need the choir in the amen section, okay? So you get to write off all these things that you normally would spend money on anyway.
Before we wrap, as tax season starts, what message would you like to leave us with today?
I would like to leave everyone with a message that now is the time for you to be empowered. This is 23. It is the Jordan year. It is the year for you to win in your championship, me being a descendant of the repeat Jordans, of the Bulls of the 90s. So this is the Jordan year. I want everybody to go to thrivetax.net. That's thrivetax.net. Sign up for a pre-tax analysis so that you can understand what items you're spending money on today that could actually be tax deductions for you tomorrow so you can be prepared. So I say get educated so that you can get in the game and win in your finances.